9 superfoods to heal and prevent nerve damage. Today's video is all about nerve damage and how certain vitamins and minerals in foods can help repair them. Our bodies are remarkable, intricate systems, and one of the most critical networks that keep us going is the nervous system. From the tingling sensations of excitement to the soothing touch of care, our nerves enable us to experience life's wonders in all its glory. But sometimes, life's challenges can take a toll on our nerves, leading to nerve damage and discomfort. Just as with any other part of our body, providing it with adequate nourishment is essential for its optimal functionality. In this video, we will be discussing 9 superfoods that can help repair nerves and keep our nervous system healthy. In today's fast-paced world, where stress and environmental factors seem to be ever present, the need for nurturing our nervous system naturally becomes essential. That's why I'm here to share with you an array of healthy superfoods that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also work wonders in helping heal nerve damage and restore vitality. So without further ado, let's get started. Just our friendly reminder. This channel is for educational purposes only, so speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. 1. Spinach. Spinach, often hailed as a nutritional powerhouse, offers an impressive array of benefits for nerve healing and overall well-being. This vibrant vegetable is a rich source of essential nutrients that play a pivotal role in maintaining and repairing our nerves. Firstly, spinach is abundant in vitamin B6, a crucial nutrient for nerve function. Vitamin B6 aids in the synthesis of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, supporting healthy nerve communication and mood regulation. Additionally, spinach boasts an impressive amount of vitamin B9, also known as folate or folic acid. Folate is instrumental in DNA repair and cell division, making it vital for nerve cell regeneration and overall nerve health. Beyond its B vitamin content, spinach is a great source of magnesium, a mineral that contributes to nerve transmission and relaxation. Magnesium is essential for maintaining the electrical signals between nerve cells and muscle cells, supporting proper nerve function and preventing nerve-related discomfort. 2. Salmon. Salmon, a flavorful and nutritious fish, stands out as an exceptional food choice for healing nerves and promoting overall well-being. One of the primary reasons salmon is beneficial for nerve health is its high concentration of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly docosahexaenoic acid and eicosapentaenoic acid. These essential fatty acids play a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of nerve cell membranes, supporting nerve transmission and reducing inflammation throughout the nervous system. The omega-3 fatty acids in salmon possess powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which can be particularly beneficial for individuals experiencing nerve damage or discomfort caused by inflammation. By reducing inflammation, salmon helps protect nerve cells from damage and promotes the healing process. Moreover, the presence of DHA in salmon is particularly important for nerve health as it makes up a significant portion of the fatty acids in brain and nerve tissues. If you find this information useful, kindly spare a moment to click the like button, subscribe, and enable notifications to stay informed about our latest health and nutrition videos. 3. Walnuts. Walnuts, with their distinctive brain-like appearance, are indeed a remarkable superfood with a wealth of benefits for nerve healing and overall health. One of the standout features of walnuts is their high content of alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. ALA plays a crucial role in maintaining nerve cell structure and function, supporting nerve transmission, and reducing inflammation within the nervous system. Walnuts are rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin E and polyphenols, which protect nerve cells from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. This protective effect can aid in maintaining healthy nerve function and prevent oxidative damage that may contribute to nerve-related issues. Furthermore, the vitamin E content in walnuts supports nerve health by maintaining the integrity of nerve cell membranes. 4. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes, nature's vibrant gift, hold a plethora of benefits for nerve healing and overall wellness. One of the key components that makes sweet potatoes valuable for nerve health is their rich content of vitamins and minerals. These orange-hued wonders are particularly abundant in vitamin C, an essential antioxidant that helps protect nerve cells from oxidative stress and promotes nerve cell repair. Moreover, sweet potatoes are an excellent source of potassium, a mineral known for its role in nerve signal transmission and muscle function. Adequate potassium levels contribute to healthy nerve impulses, making it crucial for maintaining optimal nerve health. Number 5. Turmeric. Turmeric, an ancient spice with a golden hue, holds remarkable healing properties that extend to nerve health and beyond. The key active compound in turmeric is curcumin, a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory properties are particularly beneficial for nerve healing as it helps reduce inflammation and swelling that may contribute to nerve discomfort or damage. By mitigating inflammation, turmeric supports the natural healing process of nerves, promoting their regeneration and optimal functioning. This makes it a valuable addition to the diet of individuals experiencing nerve-related challenges, such as those caused by injury, chronic conditions, or general wear and tear. 6. Avocado. Avocado, the creamy and nutritious fruit, is a true powerhouse that offers a wealth of benefits for nerve healing and overall health. One of the standout features of avocados is their abundance of monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid. These healthy fats support nerve cell membrane integrity, facilitating efficient nerve communication and optimal nerve function. Moreover, avocados are an excellent source of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that protects nerve cells from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. By shielding nerve cells from oxidative harm, avocados support the maintenance of healthy nerves and foster nerve regeneration. 7. Lentils. Lentils, those humble legumes packed with extraordinary nutritional value, are a remarkable addition to any diet seeking to promote nerve healing and overall well-being. One of the key attributes that make lentils beneficial for nerve health is their rich content of folate and vitamin B6. This powerful combination of nutrients aids in maintaining healthy nerve tissues and supporting the transmission of nerve signals. 8. Green tea. Green tea, celebrated for centuries as a potent elixir of health, offers a plethora of benefits for nerve healing and overall well-being. The secret behind green tea's magic lies in its abundance of polyphenols, particularly epigallocatechin gallate. These potent antioxidants help protect nerve cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals, safeguarding nerve health and supporting nerve cell regeneration. 9. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, the delectable delight that tantalizes our taste buds, also harbors surprising benefits for nerve healing and overall well-being. At the heart of dark chocolate's magic lies its rich content of flavonoids, particularly flavanols. These powerful antioxidants act as nerve cell protectors, combating harmful free radicals and reducing oxidative stress that could lead to nerve damage. The benefits of dark chocolate extend beyond nerve health. Its flavonoids are associated with improved cardiovascular health as they contribute to healthy blood vessels and improved blood flow. The potential to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease makes dark chocolate a delightful treat with heart-loving benefits. By incorporating these nutrient-rich superfoods into your diet, you can take significant steps towards healing nerve damage and supporting overall nerve health. Embrace the power of natural remedies and nourish your nerves for a vibrant and fulfilling life. Remember, small dietary changes can lead to remarkable transformations in the long run as long as you remain consistent. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to Healthy Habits for more valuable content. Take care and see you in the next video.